Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. You all are in your good health. In our today's video, we are gonna talk that how we can wake up early in the morning. So let's discuss some tips and tricks which will surely work and help you to wake up early in the morning. So we all know that today whole world is suffering from COVID-19, this pandemic. And this pandemic has changed our attitude. It had made us a little bit lazy. Now we are not that much particular as we used to be. For example, if we take an example of a child, what do child used to do? He used to wake up at 6, go to school, and he was very punctual that at 6:30 my bus will left, so I have to reach there 5 minutes before at it or at full particular time at 6:30. But now if the child is having his class at 6, what he says, oh, okay, mom is teaching online, so what's the matter of waking up early? All the things that she has discussed are going to be in e-learning, or I can search a video of the same chapter from YouTube. Okay, and even the adults which are working, which are doing the work of office from online, they are not waking up early. They don't bother of waking up early or doing the work early in the morning. They're like that, yes, we can do our work between 3 or 5. What's the need to wake up so much early in the morning? And this attitude is really very harmful for every person. So what we should do, what tips and tricks we should use so that we can wake up early. So today I'm gonna tell you that what tips you should follow so that you can wake up early. And believe me, waking up early feels very good. You will feel very calm, very sound minded, and you will be very happy after waking up early in the morning. Okay, so firstly let's move forward. So the first thing which you need to do is you need to change your time of sleeping and try to sleep earlier. So basically, if you used to sleep at 11, try to sleep much earlier, try to sleep at 9 and fix the time at what you have to sleep. Change your timing, make it a little bit earlier. You may have heard of that poem earlier in your younger times, that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and rise. If you will sleep 2 hours earlier, you will definitely wake up 2 hours earlier in the morning. Okay, so this thing is definitely going to work. Second thing, what you have to do is you have to never sleep without eating anything. Don't do that, because if you will sleep without eating anything, you will not feel fresh at night, and so you will feel very tired in the morning, and then you will not be able to wake up early. Okay, and if you are not hungry, at least take some milk, take some biscuits. And do you know that milk brings a very better sleep? Okay, and I will prefer you to eat walnuts, because walnuts also bring a calm sleep. Okay, now the third thing, basically what you have to do is make a timetable of sleeping, and so follow it regularly. You need to make a timetable. In timetable you have to mention the time at what you have to sleep. If you have fixed a time that yes, I have to sleep at 9, so do it, definitely do it regularly sleep at night. Okay, regularly sleep at night at 9, and paste the timetable on your wall, so that whenever you see that wall, whenever you see that wall, the timetable comes before you, and it memorizes your DS that I have to sleep today earlier, I have to sleep at 9, and I don't have to break it in between. And if you follow the timetable for 21 days, it will become your routine, it will become your habit, and then no need of any timetable. You will automatically wake up at 9 and sleep at 9. Not wake up, you will wake up earlier and sleep at 9. Okay, so let's see forward. Set an alarm, but keep clock away from you. What you need to do, you need to set an alarm, but most of the times what happens, we set an alarm, but the alarm clock rings, but what do? We stops it from ringing. We are like, let's sleep more, and we just close the alarm clock. But before sleeping, before 15 minutes of sleeping, you set an alarm sorry, set an alarm and keep it away from you, so that if you are lying on a bed, your arm does not reach this alarm clock, and then you will have no choice. You will obviously wake up, or wake up for closing alarm, for closing that alarm clock, and so then you will wake up earlier. Okay, so the now let's talk about the next thing. Next thing is you need to read an interesting book in half an hour before. Okay, and half an hour before to sleep. But in this thing, don't disturb your timetable. If you have just created a timetable and discuss, and you have just decided to sleep earlier at 9, so do it. You need to read the storybook half an hour before at 8:30. An interesting book, not a boring book, because when you will read an interesting book, you will feel very happy. If you will read a book of your choice, you will be very calm, you will feel very, what can I say, you will feel very happy, you will feel very calm, and you will be very sound minded, and so hence you will be very fresh, and when you will sleep, you will sleep fresh, and when you will sleep fresh, you will wake up earlier. Now, next thing is, treat sleeping disorder. If you have any sleep disorder, treat it. If you don't sleep well, or if, what can I say, if uh, you don't sleep comfortably, so talk to your doctor, tell him to give you some medicines for sleeping well. Okay, so now let's move towards next thing is, try to motivate yourself. Make a promise with yourself that from today, at every night, make a promise with yourself, yes, tomorrow I'm going to wake up very early, and try to motivate yourself. When you will motivate yourself, you will surely do that. Make a promise ki yes, if, and just calculate the results, calculate the positive results. Tell yourself the positive results of waking up early in the morning tomorrow. When you will calculate the positive results, you will feel very happy, yes, I will surely do that. But in morning you feel that no, I don't want to wake up earlier. You, all those things, all your promise which you made at night with yourself will come to your mind. All those results, all those good results that you calculated with yourself will come in your mind, and though you will wake up earlier, you will fastly run out of your bed, wash your face, and definitely you can do that. Okay, for example, if there is a person who is working online, and his work time is 6 to 10, okay, and he will be given some work, but what he used to do earlier, he used to do the work between 3 and 6. But at night, when he will make a promise with me, yes, tomorrow I will wake up earlier, I will be punctual, and though I will do my work at that time only, and then the person will calculate the positive results, that yes, I made a promise with me, but the positive results are that then I will be able to go to a party, or I will be able to enjoy with my friends, go with a picnic with my family, okay, between the rest of the time, or enjoying watching TV. Okay, so when in the morning you will feel that no, I don't want to wake up. Yeah, it's very early. I will do my work later. All that promise, all that things, all that results that he calculated will give him happiness, and he will automatically wake up. Okay, so one more thing which I just forgot to tell you, in forgot to add in this PPT, is that eat healthy. Don't eat junk foods. Avoid eating. Yes, eat junk foods, but some occasionally, not daily, because it keep eating more junk foods will not keep you healthy. It will affect you physically, and then you will not be mentally sounded, and though you will not succeed in the thing which you want to do, you will not be able to wake up early. Okay, so try to eat healthy, and that's all for the video. Do all these things for 21 days, and after 21 days these all things will definitely become your habit, and then you will not need any tips and tricks, no timetable, and then automatically you will wake up early in the morning, do your work, and then rest time is for enjoying. So thanks a lot for watching this video till last. Okay, please like, subscribe, and comment if this video was a little bit helpful. Not much, but if it was a little bit helpful, so please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye. So see you in the next video. Bye.